Hello, welcome back to the Chess Mindset. So in the previous video, I've been playing against the new chess bots on chess.com, and this bot is actually worse than Martin, who was the previous worst bot on chess.com, rated only 250. But this one, surprisingly, is rated 100. So in case you guys didn't know, 100 Elo is the lowest rating you can get on chess.com. So this is the absolute lowest Elo you can even face against, which is just crazy, right? So I'm going to be trying to lose to this bot, and this video is going to be pretty interesting because I don't usually do these sort of videos. I usually give you tips on how to get better at chess, not on how to lose. But this will just be a sort of funny, entertaining video. But that actually makes me wonder, if I lose to a 100 Elo bot, does that make me less than 100 Elo? So shouldn't there be an Elo less than 100? I'm not sure, but anyway, let's just get started with this. Now, I'm not really gonna, I'm not sure how I'm possibly gonna lose to this, because I'm just gonna see if I can just hang my queen, right, and see if there's, oh, you know what? If I give him a check, then the only move he has is to actually take my queen. So now he has to take my queen. Okay, so we're actually doing something. Okay, let's give another check. And okay, that just hangs the knight, but obviously I don't want to take it. Let's just go here. And is this bot even gonna take any pieces? Is it just programmed not to take pieces? I don't know. But okay, let's try to. Oh my gosh, what is that move? Okay, I'm gonna give you my knight. Let's see if you want to take it. Okay, he doesn't want to take it. Okay, what do I do here? I'm not gonna take his pieces because I want him to take me. Okay, I'm gonna put this right in front of his bishop. Let's see if he takes. He does not take. Do you want to take this knight? No. Wow, okay, so giving away my queen was actually a pretty good achievement, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so if I give him a check here with this knight move, his only moves are to move the king or take my bishop or take my knight. So in two of those cases, he will take a piece. So I have a 66% chance of him taking my piece. And of course he doesn't take my piece, alright. Wow, okay, how do I actually do this? I guess I'll move my king up the board. I mean, what else do I do here? I'm trying to lose the game. Okay, let's see if I give him this check. What can he play? I need to somehow force him to take my pieces, but I don't know if that's possible. Let's just keep running my king up the board. And then I guess I'll bring my knight here, why not? Maybe give this check? This check, his only move, I guess he has a lot of moves. Oh, there we go, we got him to take another piece. Okay. Can you take this knight as well? No? What about this? I'm threatening your queen. Still doesn't take it, wow. Alright, what about this move? Okay, so I guess I'll just keep pushing my pawns, why not? Okay, knight goes back to c7. I still don't. Oh wait, that's a discover check. What am I doing? Okay, there we go. Nice. Wait, was that actually forced? Wait, I didn't even see that. So knight to d8, discover check on the king. He can't move the king anywhere. So this was actually a forced capture. I didn't even see that. Wow. Okay, that was pretty good. I can't believe I'm saying that, but okay. Maybe he'll take my stuff now. Okay, wait. Let's calculate this move. Pawn to d5. Let's see, he can go here, but I don't know why I would do that. Let's just move another pawn. Okay, I need to force him to take my pieces still. I guess I'll bring my rooks in maybe. Again, he's not taking my pieces, which is annoying. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna bring my king even closer to see if he can actually take my pieces here. Okay, bishop to b7. Okay, this check doesn't really do anything. He can just move here, so I mean, let's see if he takes my pieces. No, he doesn't. Of course he doesn't. Why would he take my pieces? I'm gonna run out of moves here. Actually, I don't really have any other moves. I mean, when I push all my pawns, I don't really have any other moves. Like, I have to force him to take my pieces somehow. Okay, how do I do this? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna take this pawn. He's probably not even gonna take. Yeah, he's not gonna take. Okay, how do I do this? Push this maybe? Of course, he's not even gonna take my pieces. Okay, wait a second. Check. But he doesn't have to take. He can move his king there. Maybe rook here, trying to like box him in so he has to take. Maybe go here, here. I'm thinking like here, here, here. And then something like this. So then he can't go to this square because my knight's covering. So he has to take my rook. Oh my god, this game is ridiculous. Okay, I want to go here, here, here. Okay, he's just not letting me do that. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Wait, I think he has to take my knight now. I mean, or take my rook or something. Because if I go rook to c7 check, he can't move his king, right? So he has to take my knight or take my rook. So I think we did it. See, there we go. He took my knight. Okay, so what now? Okay, so if I push this pawn to maybe e6 and then bring my rook to c8 check, he can't go here, can't go here. So he has to take my rook. Okay, so that's another plan. Let's see if we get that. So if I go rook c8, I think he has to take my rook, right? Because he can't go anywhere else. Nice. Okay, we did it. Okay, so we're pretty close now. I just need to like... Oh, what is it? There's another problem though. I can't get him to checkmate me. Because he's just not going to play a checkmate. Like, I don't know. If he sees a mate in one, is he going to play it? Like, that's what I'm not really sure about. Oh, I can actually force him to take me, I think. If I promote to a rook, right? He can't go here or here. So he has to take my rook. Yeah, I think that's another forced capture. Okay, so how do I do this? I can just keep pushing the pawns, I guess. I don't really have anything else to do. How do I do this? Oh, this challenge might be harder than I thought. Okay, rook here. Maybe something like... Okay, so if I take the rook, he has to take with the queen, right? Because, yeah, he has no other moves. Yeah, so I think this is good. So we got a trade, I guess. And what do I do here? I mean, just go here, I guess. Ooh. Okay, he gives me a check. Now, obviously, I don't want to take. So I guess I'll bring my king here. Oh, he gives me another check? Wait. Is he going to checkmate me? Push this pawn, maybe? Okay, is he trying to force me to take his pieces or something? Like a reverse who is trying to lose challenge? Okay, I'm gonna push this and see what happens. Okay, this will be checkmate if I promote, I'm pretty sure. Right, because, yeah, this will be check. So I don't want to do that. What do I do then? He's not taking my pieces, that's so annoying. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna give him a chance to push his pawns. He's not gonna do it. Oh my god, why did I take his pawn? He's not gonna push his pawn. Okay, he does. Maybe he'll move this away and push. Okay, he promotes to a knight. Oh my gosh. Okay, is stalemate considered a win for this video? If that makes sense? Because I think it's gonna be stalemate once I like give away all my pieces. Because I don't think he will find like an actual checkmate. I mean, I don't know. Does this bot actually see mate in one? I have no idea. But like, I'm guessing this bot won't actually see a checkmate. So like, I don't know if a stalemate counts as like a win for this challenge. I'm not really sure. Okay, so go here, check. He has this move. How do I force him to take? Here? Oh, this is actually a forced. No, if I go bishop e7, he has this move. So if I cut him off and then go bishop e7, I think he has to take my bishop because he can't go here, can't go here, can't go here. Yeah, so he has to take my bishop with the queen, probably. Okay, there we go. Okay, I have this fork, but it doesn't, like, why would I do that? I need to get him to take my knight. So I need to cover, let's see, check. Doesn't really work, whatever, I'll do it anyway. Go here probably. Check, I guess I'll start pushing my pawns. Check, you can go here. Ooh, gives me a counter check, okay. I see. Okay, he took my pawn, alright. So, if I take his queen, he can go here. Okay, I'll try to like force him to take my knight somehow. Here, I guess he can go here. That's kind of annoying. Okay, here he can go here. Okay, surely I can get him to like, if I promote, then he has to take because it's just checkmate if he doesn't take. So he has to take. Oh my gosh, I thought that was a forced reverse checkmate for a second. I thought I had no moves and I had to take his queen and checkmate him. But okay, I have this move and also that move. Okay, he's not gonna take my queen. That's so annoying. How do I force him to? Okay, I guess I'll go here and he has to take. He's not letting me go queen g7. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Okay, but I can go this way. Here, and then here. Now you have to take my queen. Right? Yeah, you have to take my queen. Yeah, there we go. And check. I guess you can go here. Let's go! We got the draw. Oh, but that's not a win. I mean, that's not a loss, whatever you call it. I don't know, but does that count as a win for this video? I'm not sure. You guys can let me know in the comments below. Wow, it's actually much harder to lose against this bot than I thought. It really just doesn't take pieces. So, I wonder how the game review is going to be like. It's probably going to be like blunder, blunder, blunder. How many blunders will I have in this game? Oh my gosh, wait. I'll show you guys this game review. It's probably so funny. Let's see. Let's look at the accuracy. 1 accuracy. The bot got 0.2 accuracy. That's actually crazy. I've never seen 0.2 accuracy. Oh my gosh. 27 mistakes, 25 misses, and then, oh my gosh. What is this? Okay, 5 blunders. The bot made 6 blunders. Game rating is 100. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Wait, this is actually crazy. Like, it's actually so hard to lose. Like, how do you lose against a bot who has a 0.2 accuracy? That's just, it's impossible, right? Like, surely. Okay, let's just have a look at the game review very quickly. I'm actually kind of curious to see, like, yeah, that's a blunder. That's forced. I just want to see how many blunders there are in this game. Okay, obviously that's a blunder. Yeah. This evaluation bar is going crazy, by the way. It's just going up and down and up and down. Yep, another blunder. Another one. Literally every move is either a blunder, an inaccuracy, a mistake, a miss, or whatever. Like, you just have to force the bot to, I don't know, take your pieces. But then, like, at the end, like, it's just stalemate. Like, I actually don't know how to force him to checkmate me. Like, I guess I have to force him to I don't know, like force him to checkmate me somehow. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna do that though. I don't know, you guys can let me know if you try this challenge yourself. I highly suggest you guys try this challenge yourself because it's a fun challenge, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, we force him to. There's literally mate in 3. There's mate in 3 and there's mate in 1, by the way. Knight to c4 is mate in 1. Okay, so this bot doesn't see mate in 1s. So I have to force him to somehow checkmate me. Like, I actually don't know how I'm gonna do that. Like, you guys can let me know if you've tried this yourself, but yeah. Interesting game. And then, yeah, I force him to take this. I mean, not really, he could go here, but I guess he just wants to draw. But anyway, okay. So that was a pretty fun video. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I'm definitely like not doing this as my main type of content. It's just like a entertaining sort of like video. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see in future videos. But otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.